Number one, create an elevator pitch, 20 to 30 seconds. Here's who I am. Here's what I do. Here's how I can help you. Two, have a minimum of 5 probing questions at the ready. Probing questions elicit information. Ask those questions, get information. 3, know your competitive advantage. Why are you better? It's not because of some bullshit tool or technique. Like, you're going to be better because speed, right? You do shit quick. Ease. How easy is it to do business with you? Number 4, memorize your talk so it's natural. Memorize the transmit, the ask, the listen, the close. Memorize it so it's natural. For every objection, create and memorize rebuttals. So you hear an objection, write it down, go create an awesome rebuttal to overcome it. And then finally, and this is very, very important, always assume the close. Use phrases that have them hiring you because you're using those phrases. When we are doing this, during this phase, you will, right? It's the reason why car salespeople want you to test drive the car. They want to put you in that car, and they want you to feel like it's yours because then you cannot not take it home, right? So do these 5 things now, become aggressive, close sales, make money, go dominate.